This is day one of me transforming my Honda Accord. So this is my 2009 Honda Accord, which I got from Facebook Marketplace. It was on sale for $1,000, but we managed to talk the buyer down to $700. Now, before we get too excited, this Honda needs a lot of work. So we're going to show you guys the inside. So as you guys can see here, this car has a lot of random things inside of it. As well as that, we also have a lot of dirt on the seats. Now, keep in mind, when we bought this car, the seller did tell us this car has never been detailed before. So you can imagine the stains on this thing. We're going to be using these 3 products to knock out some of the dirt. And at some point, we're going to be getting a professional to come and detail the interior of this car. So let's get to it. Okay, so that is it for our cleaning video. I am really tired because we've been cleaning for about 2 hours now. We're probably going to leave the rest for the detailer because there's just some things that we can't clean up. There's dog hair, there's stains, there's even Chick-fil-A sauce. So we've got a lot to clean up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!